My son had an air leak on the parking brake valve on the dash today. So I told him, go ahead, take it to a nearby shop. He was close to a truck stop, but they quoted him $1,400. I understand it's a business, but it's a little ridiculous when the valve at the local parts store is $185 and they want to charge you $521 plus 5 hours on a 20-minute job. That's Rape City. Well, apparently this valve is leaking. Stays leaking. Not sure what brand this is, but it still looks new. Alright, got it all in. 20 minutes later, see if it releases.